Hey everyone, my name is Francois. I really love watches, and if you stumbled on this video, it's because most probably you like watches as well. So I'd like to share with you these watches and hope you'll like them as well. So let's get into it because it's time to watch. The Phoibos Apollo Titanium, model number PY031B. And I fell in love with it. Let's open this up because this is going to be just a quick unboxing just to show you the watch. I'll do a complete review of the watch once I've worn it a little, and hopefully you'll like it. So, comes in this kind of material type of box, and really love that color. This is blue. Of course, comes with the standard papers. What I really love about this company is you have a standard 2-year international warranty. So they're really backing their watches. And there it is. Isn't it fantastic? Oh, love that color. Like I said, this is the Apollo Titanium. So it's full titanium, and it is considered a dive watch. Let's just peel this off. I just love, don't we just love that? Oh, there you go. And there's also some plastic on the bracelet, which is titanium as well. And it's just gorgeous because you have that satin finish. Let me just unwrap this and get back to you. So here it is, all unwrapped. It's just simply beautiful. So let's dive right into the specs, no pun intended. The diameter is 42 millimeters, and the lug to lug is 48. And these are the specs directly on their website. So once I do the full review, I'll take out the calipers and see if they're spot on. It's a thickness of 12.5 millimeters. As you can see, it's a flat sapphire crystal. It has 3 layers of AR coating on the inside. That dial is so beautiful to see. So lug width here is a standard 22 millimeters. So you can put in a lot of straps, a lot of different straps. Then we have the movement inside is a standard SII NH35. As you can see, it's a screw down crown and it pops really well. You can hand wind. It hacks, as you can see. And let me just get out of the danger zone here. Then you can change the date. And you see the date wheel is the same color as the dial. So that's a really nice feature. Click it back in. There you go. So the case material, as you know, of course, if it's this is a titanium case. It has a titanium bezel. It's a titanium brushed bezel. It has BGW9 Lume, and you'll see it glows blue. Really nice. Goes well with the dial. And as you could see, or not see, I should have continued on my course. It's an automatic 20 atmospheres, therefore it's 20 meters of water resistance. And of course, with the screw down crown here, you have your full water resistance capacity. So that's about it. That's what I wanted to show you quickly. I'll do a full review. I'll wear this for a while. I'll make sure that I give you the ins and outs of how it wears. Here's the quick view of the case back. You see here, little astronaut. And of course, this is called the Apollo because it's in remembrance of the Apollo missions going to the moon. So that's what I wanted to show you. This watch is fantastic. It truly helps if you click the like button, subscribe, add a comment. Always welcome. Just a like, and it'll help me move on and show you other great watches. Speaking of great watches, just a sneak peek of my next review. This is my Islander ISL 54. Just love it. So thanks again, and hope to see you soon.